You wanted to do the intro.
Huh?
You wanted to do the intro.
Yeah, dude. We're back at it because we're mad at it. The stupid fucking Dodge again, dude. My goddamn pink thingy broke, so that's what we're fixing today. So, sorry for the curse words for you sensitive folks out there.
Oh my God. Why do you guys call them that?
Alright. So,
but yeah, he said pink thingy broke. So,
yeah.
so we got the metal thingy.
Yep, got a new one here. Just take a look at it real quick. Yeah, made in China, boys. Yeah, it's metal though. It's not the plastic like Dodge gave us. Thank God. And my little spring.
Yeah, we just shot the video showing you how to get the bitch out of park if you don't have the thing and you're like stuck in a fucking parking lot or something. This is what he did. Yeah. So go watch the other video. It's in the bio. It's in the description, and I'm gonna post it in the comment and pin it, so it's there.
So I got a trusty screwdriver here. We gotta pop this off. That's
We're just getting at it. All right.
Yeah.
Pretty much. Phone's gonna need removed. Get that out of the way. Remove that thing that catches all your ashes because ashtrays be shit. If you have something in it, it'll stop it. That's my complaint there. I don't know if this is a how to do it. It's just like every other video. We just do it and film it, and you can follow the same steps, I guess, and make our mistakes. But there ain't no mistakes here. This is easy.
Yep.
Take that. Say no to chrome.
Alright, so now I need a flathead.
Oh man. Alright.
Or maybe, actually, fuck. Maybe that dude was just a pussy. There's clips right here on both sides of it. You want to push them in and you can pop the whole thing out. Then you can get to the bolts that are underneath, and there's 4 bolts.
Hold on. Don't break it.
Probably need a flat.
Alright, I hope this is enough.
Yeah.
I grabbed literally every flathead there was.
Try this bad boy out.
I'll try to help pull up. I'm gonna set the camera down to help pull up. Hey.
Alright.
Now we are in it.
How many did I break? Oh, something broke. Alright,
We're in it.
this is not the pink thingy you're after.
I see a speck of pink down there.
That might just could be it.
It's just touching shit now, I guess.
Yeah. Alright, so next thing I'm gonna do is I need an extension to get down there to these 4 bolts. And they're pretty easy to see. A magnet wouldn't be a bad idea just in case you drop the bolts.
I guess I'm running over again.
So this is what's gonna work for us. Okay, we got an extension here with a long 10mm socket. All right. Now the reason you want that is because the fucking, you know what I'm saying? Your short shit's not gonna get on there. All right. So you're gonna get down on there, dude. Oh yeah. Got all this leverage, man. You guys might want to do this too.
let me take a step back. Get all the torque.
This is a need. I got all the torque. If you guys don't find a magnet, don't lose your bolts.
You better knock on wood or I'm gonna jump cut to you fucking losing one.
There's 1 bolt, dude.
Is that how high your e-brake would be if you had one?
It'd be damn close, dude.
Yeah, that's cheating.
piece of the carpet is actually down here, and there's a little clip for it. So you just want to pull that out.
You need to reference the video.
I need to consult a professional.
Oh, new developments.
Yeah, like I was saying, you pull that little carpet tab out, and then you're gonna want to get this off your old paint thingy. I guess you.
So the pink thing
You might not have to. Hold on, let me actually.
consult the professional again.
So after you get the carpet tab out, you just fucking. You're supposed to pull this up. It's kind of big. I don't see how it's gonna happen.
Okay, we decided to stop referencing a dude whose fucking car is already broke because that isn't helping us. So we looked at consulted a real professional, and now we're gonna take the ashtray shit out with the heated seat controls and all that. And that way we'll be able to get in there more and unplug a lot of this shit so we can take it out. Oh shit, sorry.
There it is.
Okay, well, I was holding the camera the other way when I did it, but there it is. Pulled that up. Alright, this job is turning out to be a lot more than we thought it was going to be. The bitch is out, and you need it out to even get to the part to replace it. So, we did a lot of shit where we just wanted to get around taking these out, because fuck doing all that. And we could just take this off, mark it where it was, so you can see the scrape where the bolt was. And now Clayton's gonna try to pry it open, or we're gonna do what we've been saying we're doing. Okay, big update. It's all taken apart. It's crusty and dusty.
Ooh, I don't know where that was. Probably where that spring's gonna go.
Look right here. It's supposed to be a hook. Hook is gone.
Then we come over to Clayton's. Hook is gone. So got lucky, it is the pink thingy.
I got it out.
Got the pink thingy out.
Pink thingy is out.
You're gonna put that in a glass case and put it by your bed.
I might make a shrine for it or something.
Give it to one of you lucky subscribers.
What the heck did I do?
He said in the video, pay attention. What did you do?
I got it right there.
Alright.
Where's that, dude? Alright. We got the pink thingy back on.
You should have painted it pink.
I almost did today at work, but I didn't have my car.
What he's trying to do here is thread that spring.
Maybe fuck, dude. There it is, boys.
Oh, I blocked it, trying to give you some light, but there you go.
Heck yeah, dude.
And then we just go in reverse, put it all back, wire all them shits up.
Fucking yay.
Start with.
Yes, it's back together.
And you just put it back.
Yep, dude. Just slap that motherfucker on back.
Just do it right now, Clint. Under a minute. I know you can do it.
Yeah, I can do it, guys.
Remember when I said jump cut to Clayton dropping a bolt? I just did it, but we got it back. Holy shit, that was nerve-wracking because it dropped down the bitch. But we're getting it back in for a second time. Yeah, we kind of confirmed it because we're currently sitting in neutral, so it works. Hopefully we don't roll down the hill.
Alright,
But now,
sick.
4 bolts, bap. Throw a little plastic back on, right down in here. And then we're done.
Man, you guys missed it. That's what I did, okay? Well, you get the picture. You see how hard it was?
It
I
worked.
wedged it to the side and just laid her on in there, bud. It'd be nice if I could do it.
Apparently this one's hard.
try this out, dude. Fuck. Who knew it would be that one? Alright. Gonna use a good old magnet, boys. Oof, I don't know.
So I thought that one might be a little better.
This one.
You can hold it down in there. Yeah, there's that.
Well, surely you can go. There it is.
Hey, okay, I just had to say something.
It's on there.
Oh, I thought you did it again.
Sick. Heck yeah, dude.
Final steps.
That's what I like. Buttery smooth.
There she blows. Another one down. Another non-car modification, just upkeep. But we do it best here on RPM Dependent. I'll throw up the logo right here. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a dislike if you didn't like it. Leave a comment. Share it with somebody. Leave it open in another window at 2 times speed and just leave it on autoplay on our channel so we get more views. I think that's actually against TOS on YouTube, but do it anyways. But alright, I just said the shit. Turn on the notifications for more broken fucking Dodges. Goodbye. Peace.